Hi, I'm Jan. I'm going to show you how to delete something you do not want in your MyLO sandpit. I made this cute little getting started video and look how it looks on the front. It looks awful. So once again, I'm going to have to delete and start again. It would probably delete quite easily, but I'm going to show you how to use the HTML editor at the bottom of the page. And that's not showing at the moment, so we'll just see what's going on. There it is. There. The HTML source editor. So first of all, have a look where what you want to delete is positioned between. So here's some words there: environment and about your guide facilitator. So I'm going to go down here and do a Control F and see if I can find environment anywhere. Okay, then it mentions video wrapper and so on. And then it okay, so we're just going to see if I can get rid of all of this particular video stuff. So I'm going to take out anything here that says video. You can have a bit of a safety valve, so don't worry too much. View a new window. I'm going to just get rid of that. It might not be enough. Better to take too little. Let's see what's happened. Okay. Didn't seem to work. Made a liar out of me. So we'll go back and we'll take out everything to do with the video, where it says video up here maybe. Let's try going as far as there. Get rid of it, save it, and see what's happened. Okay, it's gone. That's how you do it.